Hi guys, and welcome to the second episode of Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials, and this would be a 2 minutes tutorial. So we'll talk quickly about applying LUTs to your video. So that would be color correction and those fancy teal, orange shade and all of that. We'll check that in this video. And then the second thing that we would do is video transitions. I'm speaking way quickly than I should because this needs to end in 2 minutes, although the timer would start after we actually get in Premiere Pro and start the work. Now what we need to do is we need to apply LUTs. You can see the colors are not that good. Even if they are, we can make changes. We can make a lot of changes. So to do that, you can either manually select the clip. Let me zoom it a little so we can manually click it. You would see these panels here on the right side. So you need to click on geometry, color, and then you can either go to basic corrections or you can go to creative. So let's say we go to basic corrections and input LUT. Let's say we select this. You see how it changed? And it's definitely a lot better than what it was before. Let me go back. This is what it was. You can either apply it like this, or what I would suggest is to actually apply it on an adjustment layer. Now how do we do that? Okay, so you'll right click here, go to new item, adjustment layer, just click OK. Drag it, drop it, and then stretch it a little. So we need to apply this on this. So let's select the adjustment layer. We are not selecting our clip, we are actually selecting the adjustment layer. Let's go here, apply it. See, it is applied. So we need to apply the transition, and for that, just like we came to basic corrections, from this panel we'll go to effects. Then we would drag this down. So that's basically the effects menu. We'll go to video transitions, and let's say I want to apply a wipe on this. I'll go to wipe, select one of them, and you need to apply it between the layers. So you can probably not see that. Let me drag it. Okay, let's drag this, apply it here. Insufficient media, the transition will contain repeated frames. Okay, let's have a look at this. See, so that's all for this tutorial, and I think you learned how we actually add LUTs to the video, how we apply transitions to the video. It's way simpler than you think. And for the next video, I'm still planning what exactly I should help you with. But if you have any ideas, make sure that you mention them in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.